Are you struggling to maintain your keto diet? Meet KetoCharge, your secret weapon for effortless fat burning. KetoCharge is designed to make your journey into ketosis smoother and longer lasting. It helps you kickstart ketosis, avoid the dreaded keto flu, and recover easily from any cheat meals. Imagine this. You get to eat your favorite fatty foods while shedding pounds. But keto requires discipline, and many face challenges like cravings and fatigue. That's where KetoCharge shines. It contains unique slimming salts that make it much easier to enter and stay in ketosis. With KetoCharge, you can sidestep keto flu symptoms like fatigue and nausea, giving you more energy right from day one. Let's break down the benefits of KetoCharge. First, it fast-tracks your entry into ketosis with instant ketones that mimic what your body produces. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to fat-burning energy. Next, it helps you avoid those awful flu-like symptoms often felt in the first week. Instead of feeling sick, you'll feel revitalized. What if you slip up? No worries. KetoCharge keeps the ketones flowing, allowing you to recover quickly from cheat days. With increased energy levels derived from ketones, you'll notice better focus and clarity too. They fuel your brain more efficiently than sugar. Want to crush those cravings? Higher ketone levels decrease your urge for sweets, making it much easier to stick to the plan. Whether you're just starting out or stuck in a rut, KetoCharge can transform your keto experience. So, how do you use it? Simply take 2 capsules on an empty stomach each morning with a glass of water. Enjoy the benefits and incorporate it into your daily routine for long-term success. Picture your progress. On day 1, you'll feel energetic and free from carb cravings. By the end of the first week, those flu symptoms will be a thing of the past. A month in, your friends will comment on how good you look. Join the thousands benefiting from KetoCharge and stay on your keto journey with confidence. Experience the ease of maintaining ketosis. Try KetoCharge today with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, return it for a full refund. Don't wait, supercharge your ketosis. Order now and start your journey to a slimmer, healthier you.